Hi guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's begin. First step, let's create new background. Right mouse, new and solid. Select this solid color to black and add name, background. And click OK. Then select this background and lock, and let's create glass with these shapes. Ellipse tool. Okay. And then rounded wrench tool. Okay. And again rounded wrench tool. So nice. Let's select colors. Select this circle, open fill and select color, and select this shape layer too. Again select this color and this. Okay, nice. Then select this shape layers, go to window and open a link. Okay, select this two shape layer and click this icon. So nice. Let's close a link. Okay, then let's create new liquid layer, wrench tool, like this, and change color fill yellow, add name yellow 1, and Ctrl D for duplicate. Select this yellow one, move to app and change color like this. Then select this two layer, right mouse, precomps, add precomps name liquid and click OK. Then open this liquid composition and search effect wave warp and select this wave warp, move to yellow one. Change wave height 15 and wave width like this. Then select yellow 2, again use wave warp, change. Okay, so in this time select this yellow one and change number. Okay, let's see. Okay, not bad. Then back to this composition and select these layers, right mouse, precomps, add name, glass and click OK. Then Ctrl D for duplicate this glass and select this liquid, move to center. Then change none to alpha matte and move to down. Okay, not bad. And let's change yellow to wave height. Okay, not bad. Then back to liquid composition and let's create new solid, add name bubbles and click OK. Change solid scale like this and let's search effect CC bubbles like this and use this solid. Okay, and search effect fill. Let's use this solid and change color to this yellow and change shading type to none and select this bubble, move to center this shape layers. Okay, and move to up. Let's see. Okay, change scale. Let's change bubble options. Change bubble size. And bubble amount. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Back to liquid and select this bubble solid layer and select this wrenchel tool and mask like this and click this inverted. Let's see. Okay. Open mask 1 and change feather 20. Okay, not bad. So animation is done. Let's make glass reflection. Select this glass, Ctrl D and move to up. Go to FX presets, search effect fill and select this fill, use this glass. Change color to white and go to mask, make masking. 1, 2 mask, okay. Then press T in the keyboard, open opacity, change opacity like this. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my tutorial and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.